Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and giving my video a watch. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of January 4th through the 10th in my Recollections Celestial planner. And so this is just where I go in day by day and just kind of memory keep with the things that happened that day or things that I did with the, leftover stickers from the kit that I've already laid down when I pre-plan. If you want to see that pre-plan video, where I've already got the stickers laid out right now, then I will have that link down below or it'll pop up in the card so you can check it out. But basically, I already filled in Monday because I kind of filmed the plan with me a little bit late, and so Monday I filmed it on Monday, so Monday had already happened. So I was like, might as well just fill it in, right? So I was just showing you there's Monday. For my gratitude Monday, I wrote rings because I did manage to close my rings. I challenged myself to close my rings every single day this week because there's a special challenge for the Apple Fitness app to close your rings for 7 days straight. So I challenged myself to close my rings every single day this week. By the way, did I mention this is a kit from Dash of Sun Designs? I think I forgot. Anyway, all of the shops that I mention are going to be linked down below for your convenience, as well as any codes I have to save you a little money. I just think I forgot to mention who the kit was from. Anyways, though. So moving on to Tuesday, I'm just going to layer a couple of flags from the kit that I think are really pretty. Well, one's a flag and one is like a strip of washi. And then I have this really pretty reflective, super silvery flag from Sadie Stickers. And I just wanted to do like 3 flags laying over each other. But the silver one was gonna like cover up too much of the like other pretty stuff, like the snowflakes and things. So I just put it on the bottom. So I don't know, it's like super flag central over there. And then I used a little thin divider from Dash of Sun Designs. Then I'm taking this little doodle from Wild Summer Designs, which is a shop that I PR for. I have my code down below. Which is like a little sticker doodle that she drew of. It's kind of like, it looks like one of her kits actually. It's really cute. And that's just because whenever I film a plan with me, which I did on Monday, I have like a ton of stickers all over the place that I used for the week, and I just kind of like stuff them into a drawer and just neglect them. But I had to put them away on Tuesday. And then I used a divider from Honey Inked just on the bottom there to take up the white space. On Tuesday, my gratitude was rings again, since I managed to close my rings again. Wednesday, I'm going to take a box from the kit, and then I have a no school script from Piper Paper Company because I forgot that my son did not have school on Wednesday. He actually didn't have school this Wednesday and the next Wednesday for some reason. It's like an unassigned day or something. So kind of weird in the middle of the week, I guess. But anyways, Wednesday was also the unfortunate insurrection and attempted coup on our capital. So I am taking a half box for that and using a Give Me Space girl from Fox and Pip. I was going to use like a mad kind of emoji kind of thing, emoji or whatever thing. I just didn't have one. So the other emotion I felt was like I needed to like I was glued to the TV and it was just very stressful. It was stressful. It was everybody was stressed. I mean, I was glued to Facebook, glued to the TV. It was scary. It was really scary. So I'm just writing that in, marking that in for Wednesday. It's really hard to write by the coil because it kind of messes with your hand if you're right-handed. So I just use a Simply Gilded sticker album to kind of prop it up. And I whited it out because I didn't like the way that I wrote it the first time. So that's what I am putting in for my little half box there. Then I'm going to take a snowflake mandala from Dash of Sun, and I've already cut it in half. And I'm going to take one of the little scalloped bow corners from her kit as well. Just to put in the corner of, I was going to try to do like both of the snowflake, the other half of it, but it just looked weird. So I'm just using the one, and that's just to go for painting my nails. I was going to put a nail polish over it too, but then like a nail polish icon, but I didn't want to cover up the pretty little snowflake peeking through or whatever. So anyways, I just left it like that and just wrote paint nails. Because I finally managed to paint my nails on Wednesday after like a week and a half of not painting them, which is ridiculous because usually I paint them once a week and I do like a full manicure, Otherwise they start chipping, and then that's not even my biggest concern. I don't care if there's a little chip, but the problem that concerns me is that when they start chipping, it makes them more vulnerable to breaking. So I'm like, ooh. And then I'm going to take a cute little flourish from Honey Inked just to take up some space. And then for my gratitude, I wrote hot shower because I don't know, it's just nice to like stand in the hot shower and be comforted, and especially when you've, had a like stressful, it's been a stressful and scary day. I just was grateful for just being able to just like have hot water, just take a nice shower, relax, Anyways, um, moving on to Thursday. I'm gonna take a transparent star from Wild Summer Designs and a transparent coffee cup from Shop Jessica Hearts. I'm going to put it over this little box from the kit, and I thought it would look cute because it's transparent. It can go right over that bow, and it kind of looks like the bow is like on the coffee cup. I don't know, looks super cute. And that is because I needed to make a trip to Target to pick up some face products, just some like moisturizer and like cleanser and stuff, just refills, and then in between there, I'm going to take a divider from the Giving Girl, but I felt like it was too big of a gap, so I needed like a thicker kind of divider. So I'm just taking these little lacy kind of dividers from Honey Inked, and then I just layer them together with the Giving Girl divider, and it looks really cute, like a thicker lacy header type of divider. I think it's really pretty. I've done it once before, so I already knew that it looked cute in my opinion, so I put that there and it fit perfectly. Then I'm going to take another strip of washi in the kit and another flag from Sadie Stickers, and then I have another script from Piper Paper Company that says budget time, because I need to update my checkbook and update my budget on the Every Dollar app that I use to track my spending. And then I'm going to take a bow accent circle from the Giving Girl, and then I'm taking an RX like pill bottle icon. I don't know who it's from because I grabbed it from my Destash folder binder thing, because I didn't, for some reason I was looking for a foiled like RX pill bottle, and I did not have silver or even like silver hollow or anything. I just had like gold, and that's pretty much it. So I was like, oh poo. So I go off to my Destash to search for something, and so that's what that is. It's a commonly like licensed RX pill bottle. You can find it in lots of different shops, and that's just I refill next to it just because we had to go to the pharmacy to refill our medications. Then I'm going to be taking. Sorry, I'm trying to stifle yawning because I hate yawning, and especially like one is not enough. Like in the span of this like 15-minute video, I'll wind up yawning like 30 times. It's so annoying. Anyways, I think it's because I'm not talking like a regular conversation. I'm just like talking. And so I'm like not breathing normally, like normally you would breathe more, but you're talking a lot, so you're not. And then especially because I have asthma, my body's like trying to recover air. That's my guess. But anyways, because I'm not really tired, so I don't know why is it every time I'm doing a voiceover, I have to like yawn 500 times. But anyway, I'm going to take a walk script from Shop Jessica Hearts, and then just use another one of these dividers from Honey Inked, just put in the middle there, in between. And for Thursday's gratitude, I wrote a home, because again, it's just don't want to overlook even the small things, the big things, just whatever kind of comes to me that day. And that's what I was grateful for that day. So is that everything, or did I skip anything? No. Moving on to Friday, I'm using a half box, and then to separate it in the white space, I'm using a little flourish by Crafts by Thaowie. And then I'm going to take a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl. These are just, one's from a freebie that I got from like an order or something. And then I was going to take a star from Wild Summer Designs, but I decided on another dot instead. And then I'm going to take the little money bow hexagon icon from the kit just to layer on the half box, because my husband had a job interview on Friday. So, money. So definitely send us your positive energy, prayers, whatever you believe in, just that hopefully he gets a job. Obviously, he already had the interview, but he said it felt like it went well, so hopefully. I didn't like how when I abbreviated it, it left all that weird space right below it, so I ended up trying to write out interview, and it looks kind of weird. Oh well. For my gratitude on Friday, I wrote 5 out of 7, almost there, because that's so far I had done 5 out of 7 times closing my rings. I just wasn't writing rings every single day for my gratitude, but I was like just really excited for Friday because I was like, oh my gosh, 2 more days, and then the 5 days that I did were cardio, and the last 2 were just going to be like strength training, so it was going to be a little easier. So I was really looking forward. I was like over the hump, the cardio was like hard. Then for Saturday, I'm going to take one of these little pretty boxes from Miss and Meow, which I got from like an order freebie, and layer that with a heart, transparent heart from Wild Summer Designs, and another coffee cup from Shop Jessica Hearts, and a side bow from Sadie Stickers. Because my sweet friend Francesca on Instagram, Planner Bell XO, found the black Starbucks cup, the matte like studded one that I've been wanting for so long, and they put it back out in the stores, but of course all the scalpers go and get all of them, and it's really hard to get them unless you're in line at 4 in the morning, which I just didn't feel like doing. And she has like a secret location or something where she just has access to a lot of the cups, because she's sent me 2 cups in the past, and then now she picked up this one for me so she could send it over. So she's so sweet and kind to just kind of keep her eyes out for me, and finding them and sending them over to me. She is so amazing. And then I'm going to take this Flourish from Honey Inked just to go above that for the white space, awkward white space area. But I ended up whiting this out because I just hate my handwriting, y'all. So at first I just thought Cheska's name looked weird, but then I was like, no, the whole thing looks weird. So I'm just rewriting it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and move to the bottom of Saturday and fill in my half box for our movie of the night, which we actually didn't end up watching a movie on Saturday. We just watched The Hardy Boys. It's like a newer Netflix original series, but it's based off of the older, I guess, books, or maybe there's an older show with the same name. I don't know, but it's kind of like a suspenseful kind of detective, like a what did they call it? There was a name and I forgot what it was. Oh, like sleuth was the word. It's like Nancy Drew, kind of a mystery or whatever. I don't know. It's a cool show. And then I'm gonna take a couple of different flags from the Giving Girl just to put researching cruises. I wish I had like a little cruise boat or something, a cute little cruise boat. And then a little flourish from Honey Inked over that, just because we've been really itching to go on another cruise, and we're thinking obviously like 2021 is a little too soon, but we're thinking about booking a cruise for 2022. And for my gratitude, I wrote Cheska because she is such a sweet friend. And then for Sunday, I'm going to take one of the hidden flags from the kit, and then an edit icon from Crafts by Thaowie with a side bow from Sadie Stickers to mark that I was editing my Advent unboxing on Sunday. I haven't even finished filming it yet, unfortunately. I only filmed 2 out of 4 of the boxes, and that was a 2 hours worth of footage. So I didn't have time to film the other 2 boxes if it was going to take me another 2 hours. So I made time to edit what I had, but I still need to film the other 2 and get those up hopefully sometime next week. And then I'm going to take a half box and a couple of transparent dots and these cute little dumbbell weights from Planner Pixie Co. Since I did a strength training day on, like I said, Saturday and Sunday, but I decided to mark Sundays because my son joined in with me since he's working on, being more fit and healthier and active as well. So I just marked that. And then I checked off my checklist, and I'm using one of these really adorable little winter fancy bow box, strong box label situations from the Giving Girl. I love how it's got the little snowflake in it because it matches this kit so perfectly. And we just had our family night on Sunday with my husband's family. We went over for we were gonna watch a movie, but we just ended up watching football and had dinner. And then I took a swirly flourish from Honey Inked over there. And for my gratitude on Sunday, I wrote that I was grateful for having a perfect ring week, because yes, I met that goal and I closed my rings all 7 days straight. So I'm so proud of myself. And then I just migrated over with an arrow for my little weekly sidebar tasks because I still have not done them. But anyway, here's the completed spread. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video so much. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up because it does help out my channel and my video. And I truly appreciate your support so much. Be sure to leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back. Make sure you're subscribed as well. If you're not already, what are you waiting for? I make videos regularly. Usually it's 2 to 3 videos a week. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss more of my videos. I hope that you're all well. Remember that you are loved and you are worthy and you are enough just the way that you are. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day, an amazing week, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, take care, y'all. My watch is going off. I don't know what it's saying. Bye. I don't know if you heard that. Bye.